Good evening, student. And today we are going to discuss the sum numerical of AQ2 paper. And the first numerical is that a channel given below find here value 0.9, 0.1, 0.8 and 0.2. This is the x1, x2, y1 and y2. First channel matrix, second one py1 and py2 if px1 is equal to px2 is equal to 0.5, and third one is the hx comma hy comma hx conditional y hy is to x, and finally the mutual information. ये क्वेश्चन आपका सेशन 18-19 में ये आपका आस्क हुआ है। ये सेक्शन सी का आपका एक पार्ट है। इसमें ऑलरेडी आपका चैनल गिवन हुआ है ना। वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द चैनल मैट्रिक्स एंड कैलकुलेट पी वाई वन एंड पी वाई टू फॉर द पी एक्स वन एंड पी एक्स टू ऑलरेडी गिवन दैट इज 0.5, and the last find the entropy hx hy, conditional entropy hx is to I and hy is to x, and finally the mutual information between the x and y. Now what will be the first part? What will be the channel matrix that is represented by pyx is equal to conditional matrix written like here x1, x2, y1 and y2. Now by using the channel, as we know, when we move along from x1 to y1, the probability is 0.9 written here. Then from x1 to y2, that is 0.1. Now x2 to y1 0.2 and x2 to y2 0.8. This is the first part. In that, simply here we take the diagram of the channel and calculate the channel matrix. Now after that, what will be the this value, and already px1 and px2 already given. Now in this here we are using the formula of p y1 and p y2 is of the matrix of 1 cross 2 is equal to matrix px1 px2, and finally here the place the conditional matrix that is 0.9, 0.1, 0.2 and 0.8. okay, दिस इज द फार्मूला। ये फार्मूला है, और आपका ये मैट्रिक्स है 1 क्रॉस 2 का, दिस मैट्रिक्स 2 क्रॉस 2, एंड फाइनली वी गेट द मैट्रिक्स ऑफ 1 क्रॉस 2। व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? simply here we have to multiply, that is equal to, and px1 and px2 already given hai, that is value 0.5, 0.5, and then this value is equal to 0.9, 0.2, 0.1 and 0.1. Now simply multiplication, here we get py1 py2 is equal to हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आपको जो वैल्यू फाइंड होगी that is 0.5 into 0.9 plus 0.5 into 0.2, and here this value 0.5 into 0.1 plus 0.5 into 0.8. Okay, and after that what will be the value? After calculating, we get here 0.55 and 0.45. Okay, then on comparing, uh, P y1 is equal to 0.55 and P y2 is equal to 0.45. Okay. Now this is second part. Already हमने इसमें ये पहला part था. Second part, by using the formula, simply the multiplication of the input probabilities and the conditional probability, and we get the value output probability just like this. Okay. Now the last part, so many entropies are there. Now first we have to calculate Hx is equal to a simple formula already. Probability जो given आपकी है Px1 Px2 की value आपकी है 0.5 0.5, simply written like 1/2 log 2 1/2 plus 1/2 log 2 1/2 is equal to, after solving, we get 1. Now this is the entropy Hx. Now Hy is equal to value 0.5 log 2 1/0.5 plus 45 log 1/0.45 to the base 2. Okay, and here after solving, we get value 0.9905. This is the probability Hx, and here is the Hy. Simply using the formula of the entropy, we can calculate the Hx and Hy. Now, first of all, we get the conditional entropy. Conditional entropy के लिए बहुत सारे formulas हैं, मैंने discuss भी class में किया था. But here we are using the some different technique. Simply here we are use the matrix, conditional matrix. Already जो हमने यहाँ बनाया हुआ था. This is the conditional matrix. और इसमें हम करते क्या हैं, इस मैट्रिक्स में अगर इसके पहले रो में अगर हम Px1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, एंड इफ वी multiply the second row with the Px2, then we get the JPM matrix, and that is called the joint probability matrix. Now, to get JPM, multiply row 1 by Px1 and 2 by Px2. Okay, now we get Hx, y is equal to, ये आपका पहला एलिमेंट है 0.9, 0.9 into 0.5, then 0.1 into 0.5, and then 0.2 into 0.5 and 0.8 into 0.5 is equal to, here we get the value, this is the 0.45, 0.05, 0.1 and 0.4. This here we get the JPM, means here we also get the conditional joint probabilities Px1, y1, Px1, y2, Px2, y1, Px2, y2. This is the joint probability matrix हमने बोला, that is also called the JPM. Simply multiplied this conditional matrix by first row by using px1 and second row by the px2, and we get the conditional entropy. Now again we are using the formula, and by using this all the probabilities we get, this is the px comma y, we get h x comma y is equal to log 2 1 upon 0.45 plus 0.05 0.1 plus 0.4 log 0.4. Simply here we take the all the probabilities and we get the वैल्यू आपको फाइंड होगा, वो वैल्यू क्या होगी ऑलरेडी वो रिटर्न है, एंड आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन बाय यूजिंग द कैलकुलेटर एंड वी गेट द वैल्यू दैट इज h x, y is equal to 1.594. So here we get the entropy hx and hy and this entropy. Now using the sum relation, we know the formula of the, we know h x comma y is equal to h x plus h y is to x. This is the formula. Then we can say h y x is equal to h x minus h x comma y minus hx is equal to 1.594 minus 1, we get 0.594 bits. Okay, this is the conditional entropy h y is to x. Now the next, we know the formula h x comma y is equal to h y plus h x is to y. Now h x is to y is equal to h x comma y minus hx is equal to this again quantity 594 minus this is the hy, and which already calculated value आपकी है 0.9905, and we get value after calculation we get value 0.6035. Okay, now again this is the entropy. Here we calculate two conditional entropy, and last we calculate the mutual information. We know the formula, mutual information is equal to hx minus hx is to y. 1 minus hx is to y अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया हुआ है, that is माइनस एच एक्स इज टू वाई, ये वैल्यू आपकी थी 0.035 एंड वी गेट वैल्यू 569 एंड वैल्यू आपकी हो गई यहाँ पे 9 में से 6 035 value 5693965. This is the answer of the mutual information, and we get this is the bit. This is the complete solution of that numerical. किस तरीके से आपने conditional, first of all from the channel we make the conditional matrix, and then by what is the use of the conditional matrix, and finally we get all the entropies and mutual information. Okay, this is the first numerical based on the channel. Now we have to take the next numerical. I think so आपको ये पूरा क्लियर हो गया होगा, आप इसको लिख सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं जो भी चीज़ें हैं. I think so it should be very clear. Now the next numerical will be 4a systematic code 6,3 H is already given like this, 101 011 111 100 010 and 001. Okay, now first calculate the generator matrix. Second one, code word that begin with 110. If the received vector y is 011 010, calculate the syndrome and also correct if there is any error. This is the complete numerical, and already the H means the parity check matrix already given. Now first part is to calculate generator matrix, then second one is the code word that begin with the 110 means this is the message bit, and last one is the receive vector already given, and calculate syndrome for that receive vector and also correct if there is any error. Okay. Now here for generator matrix there is a requirement of the parity matrix, or this is the parity check matrix. As we know, on compare with the standard form of the parity check matrix, like that, we know on first part, on comparing with H is equal to P transpose of the order of Q cross K and identity matrix Q cross Q, and this will be the order of whole matrix of the order of the Q cross N. Then on comparing with this one, we get P transpose is equal to the matrix written like 101 and 011 and 111. Here we get the matrix of P transpose, and this is order of the Q cross K. We know for the generator matrix there is a requirement of the P. Now how the P can be calculated? Simply here we take P is the transpose of Pt, just like P to the power T, that is T. Okay, we get P. Now P is equal to transpose means simply we have to convert the previous matrix, changing the row into column and column into row. If we change the column into row, simply a rows into column, we get 101 and 011 and 111. This is the parity matrix. Now what is the जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट जो आपका है जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स, and this is of the order of k cross q. Now generator matrix is of the order of G is equal to, that is I k cross k and I k cross q, and finally get k cross n का मैट्रिक्स आपको मिलेगा, that is G. Then what will be the value? Value अगर आप देखेंगे तो we can written like this, is equal to, here we make the matrix. First of all, this is the square matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Now simply plate this matrix, parity matrix, like 1 0 1 and 0 1 1 and 1 1 1. This is generator matrix. This is the first part of the numerical. Okay. Now on comparing with the standard format of the parity check matrix, and we get P transpose. Now again taking the transpose of the P to the power T, we get the matrix P, and here is the requirement in generator matrix, that is P is equal to this one, and the standard format written like this, and place the value here 1 by this. This is identity matrix and this is parity matrix, and now and place, and we get the G. Now this is the part first. Now we have to calculate generator matrix, हमने calculate कर लिया, that is the first part already calculated. Now the code word that beacon is the 110. Now second part, the second part, that is we know the formula C is equal to MP. Here M already written 110, and I think message is the 110, and parity matrix is already calculated 101 and 011 and 111. We get simply we multiply this matrix of the 1 cross 3, and this is the 3 cross 3, and we get the matrix. And after calculating, simply we have multiplied the elements one by one, and after multiplication there is the modulo sign between the two elements. We can say if the number of ones are even, then value is equal to 0. If number of one odd, then value is equal to 1. Now here we multiply 1 into 1, we get 1, and 1 into 0 0, and 0 into 1 1. Simply here we get 1. If we multiply this with this one 0, this with this one 1, again get 1, and we multiply we get 2 1, that is the value 0. This is the code word. Now what should be the code word? Code word is equal to, first of all, write message bit, and this is the right answer. This is the answer, that is 110 is the message bit already taken, and same coincidence is there here also. The check bits are also 110. After combining these 3 bit, and we get the code of the 6 bit. Okay. Now third part is to get the syndrome. There already the receipt vector हमें calculate करना है, and after that we have to check the if there is any error, then we have to correct them. And what is the process? As we know, for the formula of the syndrome is equal to y h to the power t, we get y receipt vector is equal to 0 1 1 0 1 0, and h transpose written like this, that is 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0. After that 1 1 1 0 0 1. Here for calculating the syndrome, that is we know the formula S is equal to y s to the power t. Here the h already given. Now by here the formula, in the formula there is h transpose. Simply we have to convert the h into h transpose by converting the rows into column and column into row, and then multiplying. This is the matrix of the order of 1 cross 6, and this is of the order of 6 cross 3. And here we get the value or the matrix of the 1 cross 3. Now multiply this 0 0 0 1 0, here we get 1, and after that then again we have to multiply this with 0, then 1 1, and then 1, and again we get 1. Means there are the after multiplication, and there are also the modulo addition between these, there are the odd number of the ones, and we get the again 1. At last, if you multiply this one, this multiply with this one, 0 1 and 1, and all the remaining 0, means we get 2 evens, and that is get the 1 0 1 1 0. This is syndrome. This is the part that is S is equal to this one. Okay, and after that this is the error, and after that if we have to check if there is any error, then we have to correct them. So how, what is the next procedure? First of all, already discussed in the topic, when the value of S, if all the bits are 0, then we can say that there is no error. But here there is, we get the non-zero value, means there is the error in the received vector. Now we have to check what is that this 3 bits are can be compared with the all the rows of the S transpose matrix. If we if this all the 3 bits match any of the row, indicate that there is the according to the number of row, indicate that, let us consider if with this match is the any row, that is first, let us consider match with the third row, then there is the error in the third bit of the error pattern. Okay, error pattern consider like this, that is E is equal to E1, E2, E3, E4 and E5. Just like this, already इस तरीके से होता है. Their error pattern are also 6 bit. नाउ तो ये error pattern 6 bit का होता है. अगर आपका फर्स्ट रो में अगर मान लीजिए जो आपका ये सिंड्रोम है, if we match with the first row, then there is the error on the first bit. Now first bit means this is the first bit, that is the MSB is the first bit, and correspondingly next bit are the second bit, third bit and fourth bit up to the last bit. If there is the error in the, if this match with the first row, then there is error in the first bit. If error in the second, if match with the second, then there is error in the second bit. third bit, fourth से match करेगा तो fourth bit में error है, fifth bit में error है, अगर sixth से match करेगा sixth bit में error है. But in that case, here we calculate S is equal to 1 on it cannot match with any of the row. Now what we have to do? What will be the value? Okay, in that case, here we assume the error pattern. There is the one more formula, that is S is equal to E H transpose. One more formula. Here we have to also calculate by using this formula and then compare this S with this one. Okay, then what will be the value is equal to E1, E2, E3, E4, E5 and E6. Then H transpose will be again written like this: 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 triple 1 0 0 1. Simply multiply करेंगे and we get here the matrix of the 1 cross 6, this is matrix of the 6 cross 3, and we get the matrix of 1 cross 3. Simply multiply करेंगे, आपको मिलेगा E1 XOR E3 XOR E4. Now the second one, E2 XOR E3 XOR E5, and last one is the E1 XOR E2 XOR E3 XOR E6. Now on comparing this 1 cross 3 matrix with this one, and we get E1 XOR E4 is equal to 1. Similarly, and finally E1 XOR E2 XOR this one. Okay. Now here we have to calculate all the values. Now there is a hit and trial method हमें यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है, मीन्स कोई भी वैल्यू हमें रेंडमली हमें वैल्यूज को लेके चेक करना है एंड और इस तरीके से देखना है कि हमें क्या वैल्यूज आपकी होनी चाहिए. नाउ बाय द हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड वी कैन सिंपली राइट हियर, आप उसको ऑलरेडी आप चेक कर सकते हैं. मैं लिख सकता हूँ बाय hit and trial method is equal to ये आपका वैल्यू होगा. मीन्स हियर ऑन कंपेयरिंग वी कैन से दैट E3 is equal to 1 and remaining all the terms are 0. ठीक है, आप चेक करेंगे आपको वैल्यूज मिल जाएगा. बाय हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड आपका है, सिंपली यहाँ वैल्यूज को प्लेस किया गया, वो रिराइट किया गया, ये 3 होगा. मीन्स दिस इज द एरर पैटर्न, ये आपको मिलेगा. आप इसको हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड से चेक करेंगे और ये आपको मिलेगा. नाउ फाइनली व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट. नाउ दिस वन इज इक्वल टू y XOR E एंड ऑलरेडी हमारा जो y था वो क्या था 0 0 1 0 0. Finally we get 0 1 0 and 0 1 0. This is the transmitted vector. ओके, तो आई थिंक सो आप लोगों को यहाँ पे समझ में आया होगा किस तरीके से ये किया जा रहा है. इट्स विल बी वेरी क्लियर. आई थिंक कंफ्यूजन आपको नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ पे किस तरीके से ये बेसिकली आपके न्यूमेरिकल ऐसे आते हैं, वो एस की वैल्यू किसी ना किसी रो से मैच कर देता है, बट इन दैट केस देयर इज सम कंडीशंस आर देयर, so we have to check and there is a two numerical we are discussed today. This is all about today topic. Okay, thank you.